updates. New inch rope, that's a synthetic one instead of my old cable that's like been here for 15 years maybe. Just replacing it for a safer option. Bye bye. Hello. Just need to take it off and put the new one. That's the new rope and it's gonna go in there. So that's the end of it. Mine has that thing there. There's no holes on this. Just put with a screw on it. Just unscrewing that. It's been really hard actually. Just put a little lubricant before doing it. So that is it, done. And the new one comes with that. And we have to take all of this bit off. So we can put the new one that's specifically for synthetic ropes. I'm gonna put the new one in this hole there. Ready to go! Now we need to put the rope in there, screw on the roller, and that's it. Now look at the difference of the weight. This is unbelievable. And this is just like, woo! So good. Perfect. It went really well. So now with this, we just put the hook, then we paint everything in black, and it's done.